CHiP. CHiP is my robot dog. When I wear my SmartBand, CHiP and I are connected. Hey CHiP, come here. He learns what I like, so that no CHiP is like my CHiP. Good boy. CHiP likes to explore, but loves to play even more. Go fetch, CHiP. Playing all day takes a lot of energy, but CHiP recharges himself, and the first thing he does when he wakes up is find me, of course. There's no CHiP like my CHiP. For ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet CHiP. CHiP is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. CHiP is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the SmartBand, CHiP recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. CHiP is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter CHiP becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change CHiP's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two CHiPs are ever alike. CHiP is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is a CHiP? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own SmartBall, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so you can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed CHiP, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, CHiP is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. CHiP is a smart device. CHiP is a robot. CHiP is a dog. But most importantly, CHiP is a friend. The best kind.